Hi there. Today I'm here to talk about brand remarketing as a tool to increase your brand growth, brand awareness through higher conversions. Before we get on to the remarketing or retargeting as we hear the term in the digital spaces, I want to touch upon the branding aspect of remarketing. To start with, remarketing is practically a sequence of events that we create to reach out to the potential audiences. Potential audiences are the people who have been following your brand spaces, who have already visited your brand space, be it a website or your social space, have been engaging on and off with the brand, but have not been converted as your customer. So they remain the potential customer. Why are we talking about brand remarketing as a tool for brand growth? Because as per the stats, brand remarketing leads to 52% higher conversions. The reason here is simple because we are already talking about the potential consumers. That means people who have shown interest in your brand sooner or later. How do we say that brand remarketing is a more engaging tool, or what are the sequences that we can create for a brand remarketing campaign? The one which all the digital marketers talk about is, of course, arranging the retargeting ads on your Facebook and Google marketing campaigns. That is one side of it. But before that, we are going to touch upon the brand remarketing aspect from the consumer side. Let us say that you have been running brand remarketing campaigns to your potential audiences through email marketing, or we are again going on the digital side and reaching out to them through several campaigns. But before that, we need to understand the very idea of remarketing and how we can actually consume the top of the mind brand recall through such campaigns. The very idea of brand remarketing is to knock the consumer screen and their desktops as and when you can. But at the same time, you have to be very careful that it does not comes across to the consumer as an invasion. That is the reason why I'm talking about brand remarketing today. As a brand marketer or a brand owner, you need to understand the consumer preferences. You need to assess the consumer behavior on all your spaces, and accordingly, there has to be a brand remarketing campaign. It is about creating a brand touch point and reaching out to your audiences again and again. A lot of you must have noticed that when we surf for a product or a service on our Facebook ad campaigns or on our Google Chrome interface, the same things keeps on popping up in whatever browser you are working, or you look at the similar advertisement on your Facebook timeline again and again. Most of the times, this is a result of brand remarketing. In the digital terms, it is called as retargeting. That is the numbered or the planned part of these algorithms. You can always create it by spending money on Facebook ads and Google ads. But before that, we will understand the benefits of brand remarketing and how it leads to better brand recognition, better top of the mind recall, brand awareness, visibility, and even trust. Why brand remarketing empowers the brand trust in the minds of consumer? Because you always stay on the top of the mind of the consumer. The consumer is following your brand communication for a longer time, and they understand your effort that you are making to keep in touch with your brand. That makes brand remarketing a powerful tool for brand growth, brand visibility and awareness, because all the brands in the marketplace are trying to reach out to your desktops, to the consumers desktops through Facebook ads, funnels, Google ads, etc. But when as a brand you are considering remarketing in your content marketing plan, when it is planned as a brand strategy, you know that you will be consistently reaching out to the potential consumers. You will be educating them on regular basis, and all these remarketing campaigns are not about selling. There is a content plan set for the brand. There is a communication channel that you are creating, which is open channel and not harping on buying or placing an order, which is very much the case in digital marketing campaigns, which they call as the retargeting. So here my idea is to help you understand remarketing as a branding exercise rather than just a branding campaign. So when you create brand remarketing, or when you inculcate this in your entire branding process, which should ideally be of minimum 6 months and a plan set for 12 months, you should consider brand remarketing as one of the consistent exercise that your brand follows. What do we need to set the brand remarketing campaign in place? It involves a lot of content understanding. It also involves knowing your brand consumer and keeping yourself updated with the trends. When you are updated with the trends, it reflects in your brand content. Let that content be curated and composed as per your consumer preferences, and let that be consistently created as a sequence which reaches your consumer in whatever form they are most comfortable with. Brand remarketing is something which is not limited only to the retargeting ads. You can do brand remarketing through the preferred space that your consumer follows. Brand remarketing is very effective and can be planned in the form of blog series, email marketing. It can even reach out to the community marketing campaigns on WhatsApp or Telegram. You can also do offline events and online events, keeping the brand remarketing aspect in mind, wherein you can actually target each event that you create for brand remarketing at one particular brand goal. It could be about awareness and visibility. It could be about launching a new brand product or service. It could be about selling your service through one particular campaign. It could be about database building. It can also be about reaching out to referral networks of your consumer through one campaign, which could be, for example, creating an event and offering your potential audiences that they can invite one friend or acquaintance of their as a freebie because they have been loyal to your brand. So the idea here is to consider brand remarketing as a one of the brand strategy that you create and follow, and not just limiting it or confusing it with the brand retargeting. But at the same time, I would like to stress upon on the aspect that brand retargeting is equally useful for your digital campaigns, provided you have been following that consistently, you have the digital leads already verified, and you just want to work on the conversion part of it. If your idea is of selling a product, or if it is about creating an aggressive campaign to convert the lead, you should consider retargeting on the digital platforms as well, because the conversion rates of retargeting is 52% more. Also, they reduce the burden of establishing the brand again and again, because the consumer has already surfed through you, they have visited your place, but they have not been converted as an audience. So of course the effort and cost is reduced here. The retargeting leads are always cheaper than getting the new leads. But all this should be a part of your brand remarketing strategy, which you as a brand owner or a business owner must inculcate in your brand plan. So if you're working on your branding 2021 campaign, knowing that we are all in the new normal and the businesses are going all digital, you must consider brand remarketing as one of the important and most significant aspect of your brand replan, so that you simplify your marketing, one thing, and also it helps you create higher return on investments. I would like to conclude it with one quick example. We have good clientele and brand touch points remain same. That means we have been in touch with the people who interacted with us on the very uh, setup stage or the initial stage of our startup business. So they have been in touch with us. We have done business on and off, as well as there are businesses who have been doing businesses on and off, and whatever they did in the lifespan of our branding agency is being done through us. So, what I'm trying to say here is that there are a lot of people who are serial entrepreneurs who have the habit of investing and getting into new ideas all the time. But the brand remarketing exercise that we follow so consistently for over a decade now keeps us stay in touch with those brand owners. And despite the digital marketers or service providers or the agencies turning or going up by 200%, the brand relationship or association stays intact. So that is the power of brand remarketing. When you do it consistently, you are always keeping in touch with your potential consumers. Try this out, or rather, I would say include it at the first moment. Start writing down the sequence of events that you can offer as a brand to your potential users, and get to brand remarketing now. If you have any queries regarding your remarketing campaign, or you need help for retargeting to your Google or Facebook campaigns, reach out to us by sending us an email or sending us a message on our channel. Until then, happy branding!